Hi, viewer. Do you want to check your NPS transactions and investment? In this video, I shall show you how you can check your NPS statement and transaction easily by yourself. Open your Chrome browser either on laptop or desktop. Then type www.cra-nsdl.com. Then this website will appear before you. After that, log into your account using your unique user ID and password. Put your user ID here. Then put the password, enter the captcha, and click submit. Then, your account will be shown like this. At the top, go to Investment Summary tab, and click. From the drop-down options, click on Transaction Statement. After that, this window will open. You can select any financial year to get statement. Then, click on Generate Statement. Your statement will be shown like this. Isn't it so simple? Try it by yourself. Thank you.